The the definition Lagrange's mean value theorem. It is denoted by TMVT. This is a Lag mean value theorem. LMVT, Lagrange's mean value theorem, the short form LMVT. This is if a function f mapping closing interval a comma b tends to r is such that the three conditions. The first condition, f is a continuous in closed interval a comma b. F is divisible by a open interval a comma b. Now, third condition is the Rolle's theorem is f of a not equal to f of b. F of a equal to f of b, Rolle's theorem. This theorem is f of a is not equal to f of b. This condition most important. This two condition is Rolle's theorem is satisfied. This equal to Rolle's theorem, but the Lagrange's different is f of a not equal to f of b. Then there exists at least one number, one point or one number. One point C belongs to a comma b such that f dash equal to f of b minus f of a by b minus f dash equal to f of b minus f of a by b minus a. Suppose the diagram, this x-axis, this origin, x equal to a, x equal to b. This curve, a point substitution f of a and b point substitution f of b. This f of y is equal to f of x, this curve. This a comma b, the interval, the closed interval a comma b. This point, suppose a less than c less than b. This point between the a and b. The point c, x equal to c, this is a dash. This line parallel to x-axis, this line f dash equal to f of b minus f of a, f of b minus f of a by b minus a. This line parallel to x-axis, this parallel to line f of x. One second, Lagrange's mean value theorem. It is shortest form, the LMVT, Lagrange's mean value. This if a function f mapping closed interval a comma b tends to r is such that first condition is f is continuous in closed interval a comma b. Second condition is f is differentiable in a open interval a comma b. Third condition is f of a is not equal to f of b. Then there exists at least one point c belongs to a comma b such that f dash equal to f of b minus f of a by b minus a. If f of x, if a function f mapping closed interval a comma b tends to r such that f is a continuous in closed interval a comma b, f is a differentiable in open interval a comma b. Third condition, f dash x greater than 0 for all x belongs to a comma b. This function derivative f dash x greater than 0. My dear students, once again, example 7.25, page number 19, this new book. Find the value of in the interval 1 comma 2 of the mean value theorem. What is the mean value theorem? Lagrange's mean value theorem, another name, the mean value theorem. The satisfied by this, the function f of x equal to x minus x square for 1 less than or equal to x less than or equal to 2. This is function. This is a function. What is the mean? The mean value theorem. This mean value theorem means Lagrange's mean value theorem. What is the Lagrange's mean value theorem? The definition: if a function f mapping a to b tends to r is such that, first condition is f of x is continuous in the closed interval a comma b. Second condition, f of x is differentiable in open interval a comma b. Third condition, f of a is not equal to f of b, then there exists at least one point c belongs to a comma b, open interval a comma b, such that f dash c equal to f of b minus f of a by b minus a. Now this is a mean value theorem means Lagrange's mean value theorem. Lagrange's mean value theorem, three conditions satisfy. Find this value, c value. Find the c value. The interval is 1 less than or equal to x less than or equal to 2. This is equal to 1, 2. Between this given function f of x equal to x square minus x square, x minus x square, x belongs to a comma, x belongs to 1 comma 2. Now first condition is f of x is continuous in closed interval 1 comma 2. Number 2 is f of x is differentiable in 1 comma 2. Now third condition is f of a not equal to f of b. Suppose f of a is not equal to f of b, where a is equal to 1, b is equal to 2. The substitution f of 1 equal to the x equal to 1, substitution this function also 1 minus 1 whole square equal to 0. 1 minus 1 equal to 0. F of 1 equal to 0. F of 2 value is 2 minus 2 whole square equal to minus 4 equal to minus 2. This is f of 2. Now condition is f of 1 is not equal to f of 2. F of 2. Then by using the mean value theorem, there exist at least one point c belongs to a comma b, such that f dash equal to f of b minus f of a by b minus a. This theorem. This f of x equal to x minus x square. F dash x equal to 1 minus 2x. F dash c, this is a substitution. This equal to c f dash equal to 1 minus 2c equal to f of b value is f of b minus 2 minus f of a value f of 1 is 0 by 2 minus 0. 2 minus 0. This is a 2. This is a 1 minus 2c equal to minus 2 by 2. This is a 1 minus 2c equal to minus 1. This is 2c. This might take the left side. 1 equal to 2c. c is equal to 1. Belongs to 1 comma 2. Equal f dash x equal 1 minus 2x. 1 minus 2c equal to f of b value is minus 2. F of 1 value is 0. 2, b value is 2, minus 1. 2 minus 1 is minus 2. Take the left side. 1 plus 2 equal to 2c. Now 2c equal to, this is a 2c equal to 3. c is equal to 2 by 3. c is equal to 3 by 2. The 3 by 2 is belongs to 1 comma 2. That's the example 7.26, page number 20. This is Lagrange's mean value theorem applied. This problem is a truck travels on a toll road with a speed limit of 80 kilometers. The truck completes a 160 kilometer journey in 2 hours. At the end of the toll road, the trucker is issued with the speed violation notice. Justify using the mean value theorem. This truck distance, this solution, this explain the 0 t is equal to 2 is equal to 2 hours. This distance is 164 kilometers per hour. This is the starting limit is 0. The ending time is 2 hours. Ante interval 0, 2. This is the speed is 80 kilometers. The toll road with a speed limit of 80 kilometers per hour. This is this 1 hour is 80 kilometers, 2 hours is 160. The greater than, the notice is issued with a speed variation notice. Your answer. Let f of t be the travel, be the distance, the travel by the trucker in t hours. This is a suppose the starting point 0, the ending 2 equal to 2 hours. This is a f of, the f is continuous. First is f of t is continuous n close into 0, 2. Next, f of t is differentiable n 0, 2. Then f of a is equal to 0, interval b is equal to 2. F of t, this is t and 0, equal starting speed is 0. F of 2 is equal to, value is 164 kilometers. 164 kilometers. This f of 0 is not equal to f of 2. F of 0 not equal to f of 2. This by using mean value theorem, there exists at least one point C belongs to 1, 2, 0, 2, such that f dash c is equal to f of b minus f of a by b minus a. F of c What is the f of dash c? This is a f of c is equal to f dash c equal to f of b 164 minus 0 f of a. This is a f of a. This is f of b. This by b minus 2 minus 0 equal to f dash c is equal to 164 by 2 equal to 82. 82 is greater than 80. C is equal to 164 by 2 equal to 82. 6, 2 1 2, 2 8 2, 2 0 is greater than 80. The truck is travel 2 hours 82. The limit is 80. It is justify it is a notice issue. At a some point the during the some point at a time during the travels 2 hours in a truck is traveling 82 kilometers, which is justify the issue the of a speed violation notice. This is a justify the value is notice. This is greater than which justify the issue issued for a speed violation notice. Violation. Suppose f of x is a differentiable function for all x with f dash x is less than or equal to 29. This is important. F dash x less than or equal to 29 and f of 2 value is 17. What is the maximum value of f of 7? This is a f of x less than or equal to 29. F of 2 equal to 17. What is the f of 7? F of 2 value is 17. F of 7 value is the maximum value of f of 7. Given that f dash x is less than or equal to 29. Next, f of 2 equal to 17. This maximum value of f of 7 is question mark. Find this. This interval is 2 comma 7. Yes, this is a interval is 2 comma 7. Yes, this by using mean value theorem, there exists C belongs to 2 comma 7 such that f dash c is equal to f of b minus f of a by b minus a. This function is f of x. This is f of x. This is f of x less than or equal to 29. This value is f of b. F of 2 is equal to 17. This is f of 7 minus f of 2 by 7 minus 2. This is f of x. This is f of x value is less than or equal to 29. This is a f dash c value. This is a function. F of b value is b is equal to 7. F of 7. A is equal to 2. F of 2 value is 17. This f dash x, what is the meaning? This is f of x is less than or equal to 20. This f of 7 minus is 17 by 5 less than or equal to 29. F of 7 minus 17 less than or equal to 29 into 5. F of 7 minus 17 less than and 5 is 45. 10. 145. 9 5 is 45 and 14. This is a F of 7 is less than or equal to 45 plus 17. F of 7 is less than or equal to 7 plus 5, 12 plus 12, 15, 16, 160. Therefore, F of 7 equal to 162. The maximum value of F of 7 equal to 162. Example 7.28, page number 20. Prove, using the mean value theorem, that modulus of sin alpha minus sin beta for less than or equal to alpha minus beta, comma, alpha comma beta belongs to R. This is a real. This alpha comma beta interval. Let's consider alpha comma beta or interval. That function is, let us function f of x is equal to sin x. This sin alpha minus sin beta. This is it. This x equal to alpha, x equal to beta. This is it. F of x equal to sin x. Solution. Let f of x equal to sin x. X belongs to alpha comma beta. This is a alpha comma beta. Now, first condition, f of x is continuous in open interval alpha comma beta. Alpha comma beta. Second is f of x is differentiable in alpha comma beta. Now, third condition is f of alpha equal to sin alpha, f of beta equal to sin beta. This f of alpha is not equal to f of beta. Third condition. F of alpha equal to f of beta. There exists mean value theorem. F dash is C. Then using mean value theorem, there exists at least one point C belongs to alpha comma beta such that f dash c is equal to f of b minus f of a by b minus a. This is a f of x equal to sin alpha, f dash x equal to sin alpha equal to cos x. This f dash x is equal to cos c equal to f of b value is sin beta minus sin alpha by alpha beta minus alpha. This is sin alpha equal to the intervals both sides. This is a -1 less than or equal to cos of. This is a -1 less than or equal to cos of x less than or equal to 1. 0 less than mod of cos c less than or equal to 1. This is intervals. This mod c cos of c, mod of cos c equal to mod of sin beta minus sin alpha by mod of alpha beta minus alpha. This value is 1 less than or equal to. Take the minus sin alpha minus sin beta by alpha minus beta less than or equal to 1. is a cos of interval 0 less than or equal to sin alpha minus sin beta is less than or equal to alpha minus beta. Hence, dear my students, today exercise 7.3. The first bit, explained by Rolle's theorem, is not applicable to the following function in the respective intervals. This first question is f of x equal to 1 mod of 1 by x. X belongs to minus 1 comma 1. Second problem is f of x equal to tan x comma x belongs to closed interval 0 comma pi. Third question, f of x equal to x minus 2 log x comma x belongs to closed interval 2 comma 7. Solution. First question is given that f of x equal to mod of 1 by x comma x belongs to minus 1 comma 1. This intervals minus 1, 0, 1. The middle value is 0, x equal to 0, substitution. This value is the minus 1, 1, the middle value is 0. For example, f of 0 equal to 1 by 0. Something by 0 value is infinity, 0 by something is 0. This is an infinity. The infinity, this between value? No. This f of x is does not exist. Does not exist yet x equal to 0. At x equal to 0. If it is not continuous at x equal to 0. At x equal to 0. The Rolle's theorem not applicable. Rolle's theorem not applicable. First listen, given function, given that f of x equal to mod of 1 by x, x belongs to minus 1 comma 1. This between value is minus 1 comma 0 comma 1, the 3. The 0 substitution, mod of 1 by 0 equal to infinity. This infinite value does not exist. Does not exist. F of x does not exist at x equal to 0. It is not a continuous at x equal to 0. This is the Rolle's theorem not applicable. Not applicable. Next question is second question. Second question is f of x equal to tan x. X belongs to closed interval 0 comma pi. The 0 to pi, 0 to 180 degrees. This between value is any, either 30 degrees, 45 degrees, 60 degrees, 90 degrees, 135 degrees, 270. This value is x equal to pi by 2 equal to tan pi by 2. Tan pi by 2 value is infinity. Thus, the f of x is does not exist at x equal to pi by 2. At x equal to pi by 2. It is not a it is not continuous at x equal to pi by 2. Next, does not exist and not continuous. The Rolle's theorem is not failed. It's not failed. This is the Rolle's theorem. Rolle's theorem not applicable. Not applicable. This is a second problem. Next, this f of x equal to tan x, x belongs to 0, pi. This value is between 0 to pi value. Any value is exist. This is for example, x equal to pi by 2. The f of pi by 2 equal to tan pi by 2. Tan pi by value is infinity. F does not exist at x equal to pi by 2. This value, not value this. It is not a continuous at x equal to pi by 2. This is not continuous. This is not condition is satisfied. The continuous. This Rolle's theorem not applicable. The Rolle's theorem is fail. Any three conditions, this is satisfied. The function is Rolle's theorem not applicable. Next, third problem. The third problem is f of x equal to, given f of x equal to x minus 2 log x. X belongs to 2, 7. This first condition is number 1. F of x is a continuous in closed interval 2, 7. Closed interval 2, 7. Second condition is f of x is differentiable in 2, 7. To close interval 2, 7. Close interval 2, 7. Third condition is f of a is equal to f of b. This a equal to 2, b equal to 7. A equal to 2, b equal to 7. The substitution function f of a equal to 2 equal to 2 minus 2 into log of 2. 2 into log of 2. This value is 0. 2 minus 2. The log of 2 minus 2 log is 0. This is log 7. 7 minus 2 log of 7. This f of 2 is not equal to f of 7. F of 2 is not equal to f of 7. The Rolle's theorem not applicable, since the Rolle's theorem not applicable. Yes, the student. Second problem. Using the Rolle's theorem, determine the value of x at which the tangent is parallel to the x-axis for the following functions. The tangent parallel to x-axis. This is for example, this x-axis, this curve. This is a curve. This is a point is x equal to a. This is a x equal to b. This x-axis, this y-axis. This is a x dash, y dash origin. This line, this is point is x equal to c. This a comma b interval. Any point x equal to c. This f dash c is equal to 0. This is a tangent line parallel to x. The curve, this is y is equal to f of x. This tangent. The tangent line is parallel to x-axis. Tangent parallel to x-axis. This is a Rolle's theorem. First is a Rolle's theorem. First point. F is a continuous closed interval a comma b. Second is the f of x is differentiable in open interval a comma b. Third is f of a is equal to f of b. Then there exists at least one number is C belongs to a comma b such that f dash C is equal to 0. The three conditions satisfy. The find the point is parallel to line x-axis. This is a tangent to the curve. This tangent parallel to x-axis. That is a meaning. That is a meaning. Next is problem solve. The first question. Solution. Number 1. Given that given function is f of x equal to x square minus x. X belongs to closed interval 0 comma 1. The first condition is f of x is continuous at n closed interval 0 comma 1. Number 2, f of x is differentiable in open interval 0 comma 1. Next condition third is most important. F of a is equal to f of b. A is equal to 0, b is equal to 1. The substitution. F of a is equal to f of 0 equal to 0 whole square minus 0 equal to 0. F of b is equal to f of 1. 1 whole square minus 1. 1 minus 1 equal to 0. Therefore, f of a is equal to f of 0 is equal to f of 1. The Rolle's theorem by Rolle's theorem, there exist C belongs to 0 comma 1 such that f dash equal to 0. F dash is equal to 0. F of x equal to x square minus x. F dash x equal to c 2x minus 1. F dash c equal to 0 implies 2c minus 1 equal 0, 2c equal to 1, c is equal to 1 by 2. 1 by 2 value is 0 comma 0.5. This belongs to 0 comma 1. This 1 by 2 value is 0.25. This 0, 0.1, 0.2, 0.3, 0.4, up to 0.9. This value, my dear students, second problem. Solution. Given function is f of x equal to x square minus 2x by x plus 2. The x belongs to closed interval minus 1 comma 6. This is three conditions, the Rolle's theorem. First is f of x is continuous in open interval minus closed interval minus 1 comma 6. Second condition, f of x is differentiable in open interval minus 1 comma 6. Third condition is f of a is equal to f of b. A is equal to -1, b equal to 6. This function substitution. Yes, this a is equal to function is f of -1 equal to -1 whole square -2 into -1 by -1 plus 2 equal to -1 whole square nothing but 1 minus plus 2 into 1 2 by -1 plus 2 plus 1 equal to 3 by 1. F of -1 equal to 3. F of 6, x equal to 6, this substitution function 6 whole square minus 2 into 6 by 6 plus 2 equal to 6 whole square nothing but 36 minus 12. 2 6 are 12 minus this is 6 plus 2 8. F of 6 equal to 36 minus equal to 4. 36 minus 12 24 by 8 equal to 3. 8 1 ja 8 8 3 ja 24. F of 6 equal to value is 3. Now f of -1 equal to f of 6. F of 6 equal by Rolle's theorem. There exist C belongs to open interval -1 comma 6 such that f dash c equal to 0. F dash c equal to 0. This function is f of x equal to x square minus 2x by x plus 2. Formula is d by dx of u by v equal to v square v into u dash minus u into v dash. This formula d by dx of u by v equal to by v square v into u dash minus u into v dash. This u, this v, this u, this v. This f dash x equal to x plus 2 whole square, x plus 2 into derivative of x square derivative 2x minus 2x derivative is 2 minus into x square minus 2x into derivative of 1 equal to x plus 2 whole square equal to this value is x into 2x, 2x square, x into minus 2 2x, 2 into 2x plus 4x minus 2 into plus 2 into minus 4 minus x square plus 2x. This minus 2x plus 2x cancel. Minus 2x plus 2x square equal to 2x square minus x square plus 4x minus 4 by x plus 2 whole square. This is f dash x. Now f dash c equal to 0. This f c. C square plus 4c minus 4 by c plus 2 whole square equal to 0. Square plus 4c minus 4 by c plus 2 whole square equal to 0. This denominator outside 0 into c plus 2 whole square equal to 0. C square plus 4c minus 4 equal to 0. This is a quadratic equation in terms of c. This is a quadratic equation in terms of c. No factors. The other formula ax square plus bx plus c equal 0. The roots is formula x equal to minus b plus or minus under root of b square minus 4ac by 2a. This is a comparing this equation. This is a in quadratic equation in terms C. This quadratic equation in terms of x. X square plus bx plus c equals 0. The roots of x equal to minus b plus or minus under root of b square minus 4ac by 2a. This is a is equal to 1, b is equal to 4, c equal to minus 4. Yes, these are no factors. The another method is this, x equal to minus b plus or minus under root of b square minus 4ac by 2a. Comparing this, a equal to value 1, b value 4, c equal to minus 4. This c is equal to minus 4 plus or minus under root of b square, this b, 4 whole square minus 4 into 1 into minus 4 by 2 into 1. A value is 1. This understand? A is equal to 1, B is equal to 4, C equal to minus 4. C value, this is X, this is C. This my B value is 4, minus 4 plus or minus under root of B square, 4 whole square, minus 4 into formula 4, A value is 1, C value is minus 4, by 2 into A value is 1, equal to minus 4 plus or minus under root of 4 whole square, nothing but 16. Minus plus 16 by 2 into 1, 2. Equal to minus 4 plus or minus under root of 16 plus 16, 32 by 2. Equal to minus 4 plus or minus. This is square roots. This 16 into 2. 16 into 32 is 16 into 2. This 32. As 16 into 2. This is a under root of 16 into 2 by 2 equal to minus 4 root 16 value plus or minus 4 root 2 by 2. Take the common. Take the common. Take the common is C is equal to 2 into minus 2 plus 2 root 2 by 2. So 2 cancel. C is equal to plus or minus minus 2 plus or minus 2 root 2. This C is equal to 2 plus 2 root 2 and C is equal to minus 2 root 2. This value C belongs to minus 2, C is equal to minus 2 plus 2 root 2 belongs to close interval minus 1 comma 6. Close interval, open interval minus 1. C is equal to minus 2 root 2 does not belongs to minus 1 comma 6 open interval. Why this is exist? This does not exist. Root 2 value equal to 1.4142 something. This is a 2 into root 2 equal to this 4 to the multiplication 8 to 8 to. This minus 2 plus or plus 2 root 2 equal to minus 2 plus 2.828 equal to 0.8 something value 28. This exists minus 1 0.8. This is does not exist. This is minus. This value is minus 0.8 does not exist. You understand? This is a C value is this value exists. Second bit, third problem. F of x equal to root x minus x by 3 comma x belongs to close interval 0 comma 9. This use the Rolle's theorem. The three conditions are checked. First of all, solution given that f of x equal to root x minus x by 3, x belongs to closure 0, 9. First condition is f of x is continuous in closed interval 0, 9. Second condition is f of x is differentiable in 0, 9, open interval 0, 9. Third condition is f of a is equal to f of b. This is most important. This field is Rolle's theorem not applicable. This is satisfied, then there exists at least one number c belongs to a comma b such that f dash c equal to 0. This a equal to value 0, b equal to 9. The substitution this function f of is 3, 0. 0 equal to root 0 minus 0 by 3 equal to 0. 0 by something 0. Root 0 value 0. Next, b, this is a f of a. F of b 9 equal to root 3 minus 9 by 3. Root 9 equal to 3 minus 3 equal to 0. F of 0 is equal to f of 9. This is f of a equal to f of b. By Rolle's theorem, there exists c belongs to 0, 9 such that f dash c equal to 0. F dash c equal to 0. This is f of x equal to root x minus x by 3. This derivative d by dx root x equal to 1 by 2 root x. d by dx of x equal 1. This formulas. F dash x, root x derivative is d by dx of root x derivative is 1 by 2 root 2. 1 by 2 root 2 minus 1 by 3. Now, f dash c equal to 0 implies 1 by 2 root to c minus 1 by 3 equal to 0. 1 by 2 root c equal 1 by 3. 1 by root c equal to 2 by 3. Reverse. Root c equal to 3 by 2. Squaring on both sides. C square equal to 9 by c. Root c whole square equal to 3 by 2 whole square. Square root cancel. C is equal to 9 by 4. Some 0.2. This is 2 point something. 2.22 something. This is belongs to 0, 9.